What's happening, YouTube friends and family? Today I'm coming to you with another one. I got another accessory for the truck. You know I love the accessories for the truck. Today I ordered some thermal blades. These are heated windshield wiper blades. You are correct. Heated. That means no going outside, climbing on top of the truck in the wintertime and hitting the windshield wipers up against the windshield to try to break that ice off. Soon as they get a certain temperature, these turn on by themselves. So you've seen it first. Let's unbox it together and see what kind of contents is in there. I'm excited about these. So, all right. That's pretty basic though. You got the wipers. These are the Gen 3. They on generation 3. So they had a Gen 1, Gen 2. These are the top of the line model for this company. And I think the heating element is inside the wiper. I don't really know how the other gens are, but all I did was give them my make and model of the truck, and I guess they looked up the sizes and gave me the correct size. So we have the two wipers, and everything is plug and play, guys. No, only hardwire you got to do is to the battery, and I'm gonna explain that in a second.
A separate video when you do
that. Yeah, when I hook it up, then I'll explain all of that to you, and it come with instructions. That's my invoice. So I actually paid. You can see that I paid $174.99, and I had to pay $779 for shipping, and then tax was $1097. So it came out to $193.75. So once you put these blades on, you can buy regular blades too from the same company for the hotter months, and then you could take these off to preserve them and you can reuse them. So that's what I plan on doing. So we thermal blades for life if these work out pretty good. So you also have the the installation and troubleshooting instructions. So we'll go over that when I install them. I guess they have their thermo. This is their logo. You could probably, these are stickers that you can probably put on your truck. You know how to. Yeah, we're not putting no. If it ain't our logo, we ain't doing it.
And this, by the way, is not sponsored video.
This is not a sponsored video.
They can sponsor us.
Yeah, but they can send us a shout out or a blade or two. But ThermalBlade is not sponsoring this video. We bought this with our hard-earned money. Okay, so they come with a harness. The harness is plug and play. As you can see, I don't want to unravel it, but it does have a fuse already connected to it. One, it's only a 2-wire type of situation. One wire is for the ground, the other one is for power. That hooks up directly to the battery. And what I like about this is you don't have to turn it on. It doesn't have an on and off switch. It goes off a temperature. There's a sensor, a temperature sensor that you have to put outside of the vehicle. They kind of wanted you to run it towards the grill, but we'll get into that when I install it. But there's a meter here that reads the temperature. And like I said, this is all plug and play. See, all you do is just plug that in. I'm not going to do it. I'm just demonstrating. Plug and play. And when you turn the ignition on, these lights will come on. So we'll get into that. Then they have the zip ties. We'll get into that. And they actually give you two-face tape so you can stick the I think this is a transformer to the body of the truck. Like I said, stay tuned for the video. I'm super excited about this because last winter we did have to get out the truck a few times.
He did.
Well, I did. to knock the old windshield wipers up against the windshield to break the ice off. And with these, we shouldn't have to do that. So stay tuned for the video. Like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, peace. Keep rolling.